What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be the giveaway video. Okay, guys, I posted this video a few days ago, 2 days ago, and if you manage to stay all the way to the end, you would find a giveaway. Okay, guys, so only a few people entered the giveaway, but the target has been reached, at least 10 likes right there. Okay, guys, so now we got 10 likes. Okay, so let's go and select the winner. Okay, so the giveaway was the following. So you had to pick one random number from the number 329 all the way to 339. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I am gonna start this random number generator. Okay, and then I will stop, and then hopefully when I stop, it will pick a winner. Okay, we only have a few entries. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4. CT forgot to put his entry. Okay, so he's not going to be qualified. Right, so we got 335, 339, 330, and 331. Nobody picked 329. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop this. Okay, 337. We don't have 337, so let's continue. And let's stop. 332. We don't have the 332 either. Okay, let's press and stop. 333. No, we don't have that one. And 339. I've seen 339. There you go. Okay, guys, so this guy just received the price. Okay, the price is 0.05 BNB. Okay, so all you have to do right now is go to my TG, but also reply to this text. So you are the winner. Scammers will pop up eventually, but you are the winner. Please post your address. And yeah, congratulations to everybody to enter the giveaway. Okay, guys, so this guy is the winner, so he's going to receive the 0.05 BNB. Okay, guys, so stay tuned in for more videos to come, because eventually one of those videos will have a giveaway. Okay, guys, the reason why I don't announce giveaways no more is because I want real supporters that just they're not just here for the giveaway. Okay, guys, because if you help me, I will help you. Okay, that's just how it goes. Okay, guys, and it's very simple. It only takes a few seconds. All you got to do is hit the like number, comment your name, and pick the random number, and that's it. And then once you do that, all you got to do is go to my Telegram group giveaway, which is here in the description. Okay, if you scroll all the way down, you can find the lucky winners 329. Just join the group, okay, and enter your position again. All you got to do is copy the like number, Jacob, and 335, for example. Okay, the things that you comment over here on YouTube, all you got to do is join the Telegram group and do the same thing over there, so I will know that you are the genuine person. Okay, guys, because scammers will always try to impersonate you to take away your prize, just in case you are the winner. Okay, that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.